Hello friends, I am Adrija. Welcome to my study room. In the previous video, we have already completed exercise 8.2 question number 2. In this video, we are going to start with question number 3. So let's get started. What is the question number 3? If tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 and 0 degree is less than a plus b is less than and equal to 90 degree and a is greater than b. Find a and b. So we have to find the angle a and angle b, the value of angle a and b. Okay. So what is given? Tan a plus b is equal to root 3. Or now root 3 is equal to what? Root 3 is the value of what? We have learned earlier the all values of tan 30, tan 60, tan 90, right? So root 3 is the value of what? Root 3 is the value of tan 60, remember? So we will not write root 3, we are going to write tan 60 over here, okay? Or now we can write tan a plus b equal to tan 60 as a plus b equal to 60 degree. This is equation 1. Now what is given over here? Tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, right? We have already completed tan a plus b equal to root 3. Now tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. So or now 1 by root 3 is value of what? Root 3 is value of tan 60, 1 by root 3 is the value of tan 30, right? Tan 30. Now we can write tan a minus b equal to tan 30 degree as a minus b is equal to 30 degree. This is equation 2. Now, from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, a plus b is equal to 60 and a minus b equal to 30. Right? Now plus b minus b will be cut. Now a plus a is equal to 2a and 60 plus 30 is 90. So 2a is equal to 90 degree or a is equal to 90 by 2, right? Okay, 45 or a is equal to 45 degree. We have got the value of a. Now we need to find the value of b, right? We have got that a is equal to 45 degree. Now let's find the value of b. Okay, now let's take this equation. A plus b is equal to 60 degree. What have we found? A is what? 45 degree. So we can write 45 degree plus b is equal to 60 degree. Or b is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree. or B is equal to what? 5, and 5 minus 4 is 1, 15 degree. This is the answer. So what is A? A is 45 degree and B is 15 degree. We have found out the answer of question number 3. Now let's move to question number 4. So what is the question number 4? State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. So there are 5 questions. We have to find out whether these are true or false. So what is the first one? Sine A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B or not. So for example, let's take A as 30 degree and B as 60 degree. For example, you can take any other values also, but let's take 30 and 60 degree. Okay, let A and B be let A and B be 30 and 60 respectively. Okay, 30 degree, 60 degree. Now sine, what is A? 30 degree, B is 60 degree, equal to sine 30 degree, sine A is 30 degree plus, and B was what? It was 60 degree, sine 60 degree. Okay. So what is 60 plus 30? It is 90, right? 60 plus 30. So sine 90 degree is equal to, what is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2 and sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And what was sine 90? Sine 90 was 1 equal to, we cannot add root 3 plus 1, right? So 1 plus root 3 by 2. So is it possible? Can 1 be equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2? No, right? 1 cannot be equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. So sine A plus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B. So it is false. F means false. Now let's move to the second one. The value of sine theta increases as the theta increases. The value of sine theta increases as the theta increases. Does the value of sine theta increases as the theta increases? So what are the values we know? But first is what? Sine 0 degree. So what was sine 0 degree? It was 0. Then sine 30 degree was 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree was 1 by root 2. Then sine 60 degree was what? It was root 3 by 2. Then finally sine 90 degree, that was 1. So does this increase? Because the theta is increasing, right? First was 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. The theta is increasing. So does the sine theta increases? If you calculate all these values, then you will say yes, they are in an ascending order. Means 1 by 2 is greater than 0, 1 by root 2 is greater than 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2 is greater than 1 by root 2 and 1 is of course greater than root 3 by 2. So these are in ascending order, means the sine theta is increasing, right? As the theta increases, the values of sine theta are also increasing. So this is true. The value of sine theta increases as theta increases. This is true. Okay. T. True. Now let's move to the next one. Question number 3. The value of cos theta increases as the theta increases. Now it is cos theta. So let's again write the values of cos theta. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Then cos 60 is 1 by 2. And finally cos 90 is 0. Now what is written over here? The value of cos theta increases as the theta increases. The theta is increasing over here. You can see this is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And the value of cos theta increases. Is the value of cos theta increasing? means is this in ascending order? If you calculate the values, then you will see that it is not in ascending order, it is in descending order. Means this is the greatest number, this is the smallest number, means this is less than 1, right? Root 3 by 2 is less than 1 by root 2 is less than root 3 by root 2. So this is in descending order, it is not in ascending order. As the theta increases, the value of cos theta decreases. Okay, so the value of cos theta increases as the theta increases. No, it is false, right? Sin theta, the value of sin theta increases as the theta increases, but the value of cot theta decreases as the theta increases. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Question number 4. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all the values of theta. Is sin theta equal to cos theta for all the values of theta? No, sin only for 45 degrees. Sin 45 is equal to cos 45, right? What is sin 45? It is 1 by root 2. And what is cos 45? Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So only for 45 degrees sin theta is equal to cos theta. If we take the example of 30 degree, so what is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2, right? And what is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so it is not same. If we take the example of 60, what is sin 60? It is root 3 by 2. And what is cos 60? It is 1 by 2. So it is not same. It is not same for all the values of theta, right? Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all the values of theta. No, this is false. F. False. Okay. Now let's do the 5th one. Cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0. We have already learnt earlier the table, right? The values of sine, tan, cot, right? 30 degree, 60 degree, right? So cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0. Means cot 0 is not defined. Yes, cot 0 is not defined, right? We have already learnt earlier cot 0 is not defined. So the question number 5 is true. Cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0. Yes, true. True, right? So with this we have completed exercise 8.2 of trigonometry. In the next video I'm going to be back with exercise 8.3. So if you like this video, click on like button, and to stay with me, please click on subscribe button. Thank you.